So, welcome to 2011 Section B DCG Ordinary Level Question 1. So, Part A we have to draw the given plan. Part B we have to make a perspective drawing of the structure given the following information. The spectator is 70 millimeters from corner A. The picture plane is touching corner A. The horizon line is 40 millimeters above the ground line. So, we'll start at drawing. Okay, the plan view. So it's 30 degrees, okay, 110, uh, 60 millimeters in width. So there's the plan drawn. Okay, so we'll start constructing it there. The spectator is 70 millimeters from corner A and it's straight down. So we're just going to draw a line straight down and mark 70 millimeters. So that's the spectator. Okay, now the picture plane is touching corner A. So we're going to join S to the outermost corners. Okay, this is point A. Now we're going to take our compass and we're going to bisect the angle. So take your compass, set it to any radius, bisect the angle. So set my compass to any radius and bisect the angle. Okay, so there's the center line of vision, CL of vision. Okay, the picture plane is always perpendicular to that. So you can line up the edge of your set square with that line. So the numbered edge lined up with it. Put one set square underneath the long edge. So the line the set square up with the center line of vision. Slide it down. Here's your picture plane. There's your picture plane there. There's your picture plane. Now, the horizon line is parallel to S. I'll start at just maybe 10 millimeters below S. Now, the question said the horizon line is, what was it? It said 40 millimeters from S, or 40 millimeters. The ground line and horizon line were 40 millimeters from S. So I'm going to mark down 40. And then I'm going to draw the ground line parallel to the horizon line. So I'm going to line my set square up, put one to the side, slide it down. Here's the ground line. So there's the ground line. So GL for ground line, HL for horizon line, PP for picture plane. Okay, here's the 3D image of the object. We're going to draw this in perspective. I'm going to label the points. A, B, C, D, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1. So I'll mark them there. 1, B, 4, C, 3, D, there's 2. Now, I want to get the vanishing points. So I need to go parallel to two sets of lines. So from S, I'm I'm going to go parallel to 1 to B, A to B and D to C. So 60 degrees and 30 degrees from S. And that's the vanishing points on the picture plane. So VP1, VP2. Okay, now I'm going to bring them down perpendicular to the picture plane. So I'm going to line my set square up, center line division, you can slide along, you can put your T-square or your set square underneath, bring VP1 down, okay, and then VP2 down. And I'm going to bring point A down as well. So any point in the picture plane is brought straight down to the ground line. So there's VP1 on the horizon line, VP2 on the horizon line. Now I'm going to zoom up here. Okay, this is point 1. Okay, now point A, the height of point A is 70. So I can measure up 70 on this line that comes from A. That's point A. Right, so I'm going to join 1 lightly to VP1 and lightly to VP2. Now I'm going to show you how to get point 4 and point 2. So you join point 4 to the spectator where it pierces the picture plane. You go down perpendicular to the picture plane and slide it down. Okay, now, so number 4 will be right here where it pierces the line from 1 to VP1. So there's number 4. Now for number 2, you join number 2 to S. Okay, and where it pierces the picture plane, you bring it down perpendicular to the picture plane. Now you stop right there, the line join 1 to VP2. So that's point 2. So I can heavy 1 to 2. Or sorry, 1 to 4. Now, 1 joins to A. So I can heavy 1 to A. Alright. A joins to D, A to D, and that goes off to VP2. So I can join A to VP2 lightly. But where does it stop exactly? Well, you join D to S, where it pierces the picture plane, you bring it down perpendicular, and that's the exact position of D. Okay. So you can join them together. Okay, now, and then D joins to 2. Right, so I'm going to teach you how to get point B. So the further away, all heights on the picture plane are true heights. Anything past the picture plane appears smaller than it actually is. So even though this is length height 50, it appears smaller. So how do I get it? Well, what do? I mark 50 on the point on this line. From the ground line I mark up 50. And I'm going to join that to VP1. Now, where B joined to S, it's the picture plane. We bring it down perpendicular and we join them together. Okay, now, there's B. To A. So that's B to A. Now, B joins to C, and this line B to C is going off to VP2. So I'm going to join VP2 to B lightly. Now, where does it stop specifically? Well, point C, it joins to point C. So what I do is I join C to the spectator. Where it pierces the picture plane, I'm going to bring that down perpendicular to the picture plane. Now, so where it pierces the line is the point there we need. That's point C. So I can join D to C. Now, don't need to heavy in there. Now finally we need to get point number 3. Point number 3 on the inside. So I would join 2 to VP1 lightly, and then where 2 pierces the picture plane, or sorry, I'm looking for point 3. So where 3 pierces the picture plane, I go down until it hits that line there. So 2 going to VP1 goes down there where it intersect. There, we can heavy them together. Now one more line to join in, so I have to join 3 and 4 together. So it's simply this here. So these are right angles to each other. Okay, true heights, write in the notes, true heights can only be applied on the picture. True heights on a line on PP, picture plane. Okay, so there we go. Bring points of intersection down. And that's it. Cheers. Thank you. Bye bye.